Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen like price, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and details, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, it is Wi-Fi and checking. Location of the hotel is outstanding. Yes, love to enjoy this surroundings. So categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rooms and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description. Please kind of comment. Please help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are